is up, guys? I have literally so much news for you guys. A lot of big plans and a lot of changes to kind of my whole situation here on YouTube. Very, very good changes. Today's video is 100% shot on a GoPro. I have like a mic rigged onto it, so let me know what you guys think on the quality of the video. I mean, the sun is like non-existent today, but I actually only had my GoPro and I had a microphone and kind of rigged it up, so we'll see how it goes. I like to use a variety of different kind of cameras and gear, but today 100% GoPro. So anyways, one thing that I have completely forgotten and missed and skipped over is I hit my 1 year mark on YouTube. Completely honest, I didn't really think I would ever like make YouTube videos or be like a content creator in that aspect, but it kind of has came to that. I have a passion, which is diesel trucks and motorsports and auto sports and that kind of stuff, and I just wanted to make videos about something I loved, which is that stuff, which my channel basically consists of, mainly diesels. A couple other things. Making videos is simply about what I love to do, and I completely, totally forgot that I have hit 1 year making these videos. I'm not sure the exact number of videos I have exactly made and posted and uploaded, but it's not too bad. Like, it wasn't like daily uploads and this and that, but it was a fun year and it went really fast. I think we're maybe at like almost 7,700 subscribers within the first year of me having no clue how to work a camera, how to edit, really how to do any of that. And it was honestly very, very awkward and weird when I started out, just standing in a random parking lot talking to a little camera. So it was like it was an awkward thing for me to do, but honestly, I just make videos about what I love to do, and it's been a great ride. Now there has been some money made from AdSense and that whole process and some other things, so it's a great thing to do. My opinion to you guys, or my advice to you, is if you have something that you're passionate about, any kind of topic, whatever it is, or you just want to shadow your daily, whatever you do, your daily routine, and you're kind of on the fence about doing it, just do it. Who cares? Get a camera, film it, edit it, post it, see what happens. That's just my advice to you guys. It's definitely a weird thing, but just do what you love and just let it ride. But anyways, guys, so after my whole year on YouTube little thingy there, I have a brand that I haven't told you guys about. I haven't merged my name with my brand ever. The brand's still in the works. I don't have like merch or anything like that, but everything's in the works. It's been in the works for a while. I've just been super busy. We've recently had a baby within the past 4 months. I think she's going to be 5 months here, coming up this month. And I have a job. A lot of people ask me what my profession is. I do hot shot stuff in the oil and gas field, which I'm in the southwestern Pennsylvania area. So anyone watching this knows that this area is like crazy with oil and gas. So I own or operate hotshot stuff in the gas field. Great gig, super flexible time schedule, and it pays excellent. So with everything going on, my brand's just kind of been put on hold. So I'm going to tell you guys about it now. I'm going to merge my YouTube channel with my brand, and the brand is called Modern Diesel. I have an Instagram page. We're at like 11,000, like 11.4 thousand followers on Instagram. So here's going to be the change. I'm going to merge that with my YouTube channel and just have a big, like, one title, basically. We have a truck and a plane coming in on us. And see, that's just an awkward thing. When you're talking to a little camera in the middle of a park and someone drives up on you and is like, what's this guy doing over here talking to a camera? It's just a little awkward. It's different if you've never done anything like this. So yeah, that is the deal with the brand Modern Diesel. It's about like today's like modern diesel pickups, fully focused around diesels and the community and like the diesel lifestyle slash community, because honestly, like it's diesels are like kind of a community. Everyone who drives a diesel is like friends. Like if that guy would have pulled up driving a diesel, you know, like we could have like started talking about trucks or something, you know what I mean? So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna merge Platinum Built with Modern Diesel. So meaning Platinum Built's gonna go away, and it's just gonna be the title of my YouTube channel. It's gonna be called Modern Diesel Corey. My first name Corey. Super cut and dry, just one merger deal. Now I'm not gonna have this big merch line like everyone else, like get your merch, link below, you know, the whole spiel. I just want to make really sick hats. I mean, if you guys follow my channel, I wear hats like on a daily basis. Well, one, because my hair is like insane right now. Like I have no idea what I'm doing with my hair. It's the longest it's ever been in my entire life. But I just wear hats, and I just love hats. So one thing that I want to create for you guys and just for everyone and just for myself is the sickest hats I could possibly, you know, come up with. Like this hat here, Black Rifle Coffee Company, shout out to those guys. Sick hat. I just love hats. So stay tuned, be on the lookout for some sweet Modern Diesel hats. You know, like a mixed breed, like some flex fits, bent brim, flat brim, you know, like flat bill, like stuff, like trucker, like regular. I love to go hunting, so I might, you know, have like maybe like a hunter orange, you know, Modern Diesel hat. I don't know, I just stay on the lookout for that stuff. So that's the two things I wanted to talk about, was mainly being the 1 year on YouTube, which is kind of a huge deal for me, at least. I mean, not really you guys out there, but for me, like that's an awesome thing. I made one whole year on YouTube, you know, just making videos about something that I love, and it has gone great. Like it has led to a bunch of different opportunities and different people I've met through the whole YouTube situation. It's just an awesome thing, and I literally can't wait to see where it goes further. You know, you'll only keep going further, and I'm excited for that. So 1 year on YouTube and my merger with my other brand, Modern Diesel. So you're gonna see a channel name change. It's gonna be Modern Diesel Corey. And we're gonna focus about like today's modern diesel stuff. Like I drive a 2017 POWERSTROKE. You know, I'm not biased towards any brand, so we're gonna do some Cummins stuff, you know, Duramax stuff, POWERSTROKE stuff, you know, so we're gonna touch on all that. So stay tuned for some more diesel stuff coming your way. And if you've checked out my last post, my last video, I'm teaming up with SPE, Dan down at SPE Snyder Performance Engineering, and we're building like a super bad 6.7 POWERSTROKE street truck. A lot of the guys are saying you can't drive a street truck that's gonna have 1400 horsepower. Obviously a 1400 horsepower diesel isn't gonna be 100% streetable, but you know, we're gonna keep it somewhat streetable. You know, we're gonna get in it, we're gonna drive it to the store. I'd like to drive it to the drag strip, do some stuff with that, but honestly, that's a whole nother announcement that I'm waiting to tell you guys. It's gonna be super sick. We did find a truck, so I appreciate everyone commenting in saying that, you know, hey, here's this truck, here's this truck, that truck. I appreciate that, guys, but we have found a truck. I mean, obviously it is a 6.7 POWERSTROKE, so stay tuned for that announcement. That's a whole nother video, a whole nother deal. Super sick. But yes, we are shooting for 12 to 1400 horsepower 6.7 POWERSTROKE. That's going to be somewhat streetable to be able to drive down the road and, you know, not really have an issue with using it, pretty much. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Seriously, stay tuned for that whole POWERSTROKE build. It's gonna be really sick. It's gonna be a lot of work. We're gonna have a whole build series on it, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. While I'm standing here real quick, I would say about a month ago, I was delivering on the gas field, like on a pad, and if you guys know what a SkyTrack looks like, I'll insert one here. Operator on the SkyTrack was getting a pallet out of my bed, and I wasn't paying attention. He obviously wasn't paying attention, and he hit my taillight with the front rack that the forks hang on. Hit my taillight. I'm talking like just barely hit it. But check this out. So he hit it here, kind of just tapped it in. You see that crack? Just cracked it. So what I did, I knew that water was going to get in there, because literally when he did that, it was gonna rain. So what I did was I ran to the store, got some super glue, and tried to super glue the crack over to make sure no water would get in there, but huge fail. Because look at this. That is the water level currently in my taillight. And you can see all the condensation bubbles. So super glue a crack on your taillight to keep water from getting in. Huge fail. But I don't know, I just thought that was a funny story I wanted to tell you guys. Obviously I have a new taillight coming in, but I gotta get that water out of there. What do you guys think? Should I just drill like little tiny holes in the bottom so the water will drain out? Or do you think I should take the taillight off and try to dump it out? I don't know. I mean, I got a new taillight coming, so it's not really a huge deal. I mean, that has to be some kind of an issue with that much water in your taillight. But all right, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to do today, was just give you guys an update on, you know, all the changes that are coming, the channel merger, the build series with Dan at SPE on the 12 to 1400 POWERSTROKE. Dude, you guys got to stay tuned for that. It's going to be really, really sick. But I do just want to say, my whole year on YouTube, thank you guys for the support. There's a lot of great feedback. I actually had one comment on a video saying, the one guy, I completely forget his name, my fault, my apologies. But shout out to you, whoever you are, you know who you are. You said that my videos actually made you purchase one of these trucks, meaning a 17 or up POWERSTROKE. Now when something like that happens just from me, meaning creating a video about something that I'm passionate about, that's super, super cool to have someone say that my videos like kind of almost changed someone's life because they went out and bought one of these trucks because of my videos. That's awesome. So I want to tell you guys thank you for the support and all the positive feedback I'm getting from the channel, the subscribers and the views. It's just awesome, and thank you guys for that. But that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the whole Modern Diesel name swap over. Stay tuned for the hats, and definitely stay tuned for that 1400 horsepower POWERSTROKE build. I am starting a mini series on my channel tomorrow, so look for a video to come out within the next few days. If you're into diesels, definitely. It's starting to rain. My wipers are going. They're on the automatic notch. But all right, guys, that's it. I'm heading to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!